Hello, everyone. Welcome in to the Italian Country Girls cooking stream again. This evening we'll be making some spinach dip. So please join me in my kitchen and let's get started. This is an easy dish to make. It's a cool dip. Most people love this dip. It's cool to take to picnics, get-togethers, whatever you have going on. It is really cool to take to, and it's a really delicious, simple dip. So first off, you want to get a box of spinach. This is the cover on the box of spinach that I got. It was some bird's eye chopped spinach, and it was a 10-ounce box. This is the package here, and you just follow the instructions on the wrapper of your spinach dip. It'll tell you how long to cook it on the stove, and it's usually about 8 minutes with some water. And then when you do, you put it in a little colander. I have a little mini colander. I put it in there and I let it drain out, but I noticed that it never gets all the water out, so I take like a little masher and I just mash down on it a little bit over a bowl, and I get the rest of the water out, and it ends up kind of getting more water out that way. So you do that with your spinach and have that prepared and cooled at room temperature. And then you're going to add a container of 16 ounces of sour cream. So this is what I have. I have some Daisy sour cream, and I'm going to add this into a bowl here. So let me open this up. And you just dump the whole container in here. Just kind of scrape the sides and get as much out as you can. And then you're going to add a cup of mayonnaise. I like to use Duke's, but it does not matter what kind. I use the light. So I'm going to add a cup of mayonnaise here. I'm just going to measure this out. And almost have that measured. Just want to make sure I have exactly a cup here. And I'm going to spread that about, and I have my cup of mayonnaise. Just scrape that out there. Into my bowl. And then I'm going to add a package of vegetable, it's like a soup mix or vegetable recipe mix. This one's called by Knorr. There are other brands like Lipton. I just like to use Knorr. And you're just going to add the whole package into this, okay? It has some seasonings in it and spices. So we're going to add the whole package in, and then I'm going to stir that up a little bit. And we're stirring the sour cream and mayonnaise together with that packet there. It'll change a little bit of color here. That is normal. Then we're going to take our drained spinach that we have, and let me see here. And I'm going to scrape my chopped spinach. This is already pre-chopped. You can chop it more if you want to, but it is pretty finely chopped, so I'm just going to leave it like that. And I'm going to press this into this, and I'm going to stir this up till it is well incorporated. Doesn't take much stirring. And you'll see the spinach getting really mixed in. Now you can add a little bit of some chopped green onions if you want. And you could dice up some water chestnuts is a good added accent if you have some. I don't have any. And this is what it looks like when it is done. And you just put the lid on it, and you need to let this set up, okay? It does need to firm up before you eat it. or serve it at a party. I just put a lid on it. You stick it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. You can serve that with vegetables in a tray. You could scoop it out of here, put it in a vegetable tray, put some vegetables with it, use some tortilla chips. Or this is something I like to do as a suggestion here. King's Hawaiian makes a Hawaiian sweetbread. Some of you may have seen this before. It looks like this. You can go around the edge here with a knife and dig the center out and put your dip inside of this, okay, as a serving bowl, and then crumble up the pieces that you dig out, and people can dip the bread in it along with tortilla chips. And then you could have that way too. It's just a nice way to take it to a party too. Just a suggestion there. But other than that, there you go. That is all you do. Very simple. Thank you guys for stopping by, and until next time, see you later. Have a great day.